Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus 11 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your OnePlus and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to OnePlus smartphone. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of your files that you wish to send. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, select the best connection way for you. You can input this key over here and then click on Receive button, or you can scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and lastly, point to your Android's camera at the code. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!